Question 11. An office space has an area of 30,000 square feet and an occupancy of 200 employees. What is the minimum outdoor air ventilation rate and CFM required for this space? In order to solve this problem, you can type in minimum ventilation rates, and it's going to give you the table here. This is based on ASHI standard 62.1. This year gets updated whenever there's an update to the standard. The general formula for this is ventilation breathing zone equals to area of the zone multiplied by RA ventilation rate for area plus occupancy of the zone, how many people, multiplied by ventilation rate per occupant. So now, if we go to the table, we have an office space. So our RP is going to be 5, and our RA is going to be 0.06. And this is CFM per person for RP and CFM per foot squared. So ventilation breathing zone is going to be, our area was 30,000 square feet. We know that ventilation rate is 0.06 CFM for foot squared. Plus, we have 200 employees, and we need 5 CFM per employee or person. I mean, if you really want, you can put P and then subtract that. So finally, our ventilation breathing zone is going to be 2,800 CFM. Just a remark here, sometimes this number for employees or occupancy could be different. So if you need to do a standard occupancy based on the table, like in this case, you can say that we have 30,000 square foot and the table gives you minimum occupancy. So in this case, it's going to be 5 people per 1,000 square feet based on this note. This will give us 150 employees as a standard occupancy for this space type. But since we were given 200 employees, we just went with this number.